dry shampoo to the rescue. All right, so this is my favorite one I've ever used. You guys know that. I've told you about it 100 times. So if you haven't tried it yet, I don't really know that this video is going to convince you, but maybe you will. Okay, with lots of different brands, I feel like when you put it on, you can see white residue. You can see, like, it looks like your hair is gray. Same thing if you use baby powder. It does this, it, like, makes your hair look very tinted and gross. This does not do that. Now, I'm going to show you. I'm going to use it. I'm disgusting, you guys. Like, this, I haven't even washed my face yet today. I brushed my teeth for this video. So, like, look, all around. This is how I slept. Or this is how I slept, and then this is how I woke up. So right now my hair, it is greasy. It looks gross. You can tell. So when I put this on there, it's going to absorb the oil, which is why I like Moroccan oil, which comes in dark tones and light tones and is fantastic. If you're somebody who has very fine hair, super greasy, super, like, have to wash your hair every single day or you're going to die, because we all know those people, you can use this as soon as you get out of the shower. You can use it before you blow dry your hair, and it'll start absorbing the oil that you're producing throughout the day, which will make your hair last longer anyway. So that's cool. So you can use it right out. If you're somebody who has limp hair and you need some texture, dry shampoo. It's going to give you a little bit of body, a little bit of volume, because it is making it a little drier, so that allows you to hold your style better and to get a little volume. Awesome. If you're somebody like me who just doesn't like to wash your hair, you prefer your second, third, and fourth day hair, this is going to make me not look gross or have stinky hair. Actually, that's one of my favorite reasons I love this one too, because it absolutely makes your hair smell fresh. Not only does it look fresh, it smells fresh too. Moroccan Oil has in no way paid me. I am not doing an advertisement. I get no kickback for it. You just need it. Now, if you are one of my clients, I do sell it, so I can get it for you. But if not, go find it. You need it. You take the lid off, step one, shake it up, and then you're going to see a little bit of white residue when you first spray. Spritz it in there. Spray it on those baby hairs. Now, I like to lift up my hair and kind of spritz it under the area. And guys, I hit my whole head with this stuff. I would bathe in this if I could. All over. You know where you can, like, kind of see where it's close to, like, your neck back here? And then, where you have any residue, just shake it in there. See how it absorbed all of that oil without turning my hair gray? If you feel like you have any color left, you just shake. Yay! So much better. So, in theory, I could take my hair down and I could just do it again and get ready for the day. In reality, I'm not. I'm going to leave it like this. Because now it's cleaner and now it feels better. And now I don't look like a disgusting grease ball when the postman comes to drop off my new Senegence package. So, you need dry shampoo in your life. Time saver. Makes you feel better. Makes you feel cleaner. Pretty much my #1 beauty product that you need to have in your shelf. So, thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.